Day 3 of the trip saw myself and my two brothers enjoying a leisurely boat ride around Badger Bay. All the boys in my family are adept carpenters, and I suppose they got that from our father. Well, all except one, and I'll let you guess which one isn't. We also have our own passions. My brother Rocky is quite the skilled sailor, and he often says that he would have probably joined the Navy in another life. He always impresses us with his in-depth knowledge of boating and the impact of weather conditions. My brother Larry is quite the artist. He sees the world that way and is happy to sit back and soak in the beauty that is this place. We like to give each other a hard time, but the fact that we spend time together whenever we can is testament to our brotherly bond.
He treated her like a queen. He said, "Come with me, my darling beauty. Let's spend our lives together, and I love you always through every doorway. Beaches and sunshine cities, moonlight I will." Well, it couldn't have been more perfect than this. Their emotions, world in bliss, like a wave built from the center of the sea. In the evening, they came home in shock. They had spoken what they always thought was a boundless love from the start. She said, "Come with me, my darling, love to be. Let's spend our lives together, and I love you always through every doorway."
All right, we are in Julies Harbour, which is at the base of Badger Bay. This was a community that was settled way back, probably, what, Rocky, late 1800s, early 1900s?
Or earlier.
Even earlier than that?
I think so.
Okay. And back in the, I think it was like around 1920, there was an outbreak of scarlet fever or some kind of meningitis or something like that. And a huge number of people, particularly young people, children, ended up dying. Rocky, there's graves up there, obviously.
Yes.
And
yes.
they date back when?
Early 1900s.
Okay. And then a lot of them, I noticed that a lot of them are young kids, like 2 and 3 years old.
Yes, brothers and sisters. There was a lot there, the same names.
Yeah.
They all died in a short span.
A lot of those names are not familiar to Triton, though, eh?
No.
Go ahead.
Yeah, this is so overgrown. You basically got to look through the woods. But we're gonna keep on going up here a little bit now and see if we can actually see a headstone. It's been overgrown pretty good.
Well, we didn't have much success. We were up there for about an hour and a half searching for this grave site, and we didn't find it. Yeah, that's fisheries. Woo! Ah! Oh! Anyway, we just saw a whole bunch of, I think they're grumpuses. Oh, he breached over there again. I'm hoping you guys are able to see it on the video. But as you know, GoPro does not film distance very well. Rocky, how did you know that this was where they were going to be?
Time of year.
Apparently, mid to late July, they hover in this 100-meter radius.
Whoever's listening to that, they're going to say, those YouTube guys, they don't have a clue. That's what I
He
say.
treated her like a queen.
It was certainly a great day reconnecting with Rocky and Larry, but now it was time to get back to shore and pick Dad up for a day out.
My darling beauty. Let's spend our lives together, and I love you always through every doorway. Beaches and sunshine cities, moonlight I will.
right, this is day 4 of our excursion to Triton. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. Today is all about our father, Matthew Henstridge, and we are going to be going to Springdale to get him, which is about a 45-minute run from Triton. My brother Larry and I, and I'm letting him drive because he said I'm not a very good driver, and he's right. If it's 4 wheels, I'm not so confident. But anyway, we're looking forward to a good day. It is raining, so I didn't do any biking today, and hoping Dad's well enough to come with us, and if he's not, we'll spend some time with him. And Larry, your thoughts?
Yeah, no, I'm looking forward to going and see Dad. It's been a long time for me, and yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. See ya.
Pack everything up and come on back. Yeah. Skipper Mott here, huh?
What?
Still moving.
Yeah.
Hands cold or what?
No, it's burning.
You're burning.
Really?
I wear some.
It helps? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. What are we doing?
What?
What are we doing?
He's going down.
Good.
Who's singing?
Who's gonna have to like you?
As long as you don't go complaining.
Yeah.
No complaining.
I'll take him, Dad.
No complaining.
Throw him
Don't
in
give
there.
him a hard time if he gives you the wrong one.
He's gonna give me a hard time.
Yeah.
I'm not waiting all day for you, Dad. That's what you thinks.
Best time, sure, huh?
This is it.
Yeah.
What the outdoors looks like, Dad. Good?
Good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Visiting our dad is always special. He's typically a very positive person. He always regales us with stories of his youth when he was a giant in my eyes. Strong, hardworking, and wise. It's a little tough to see a man whose mind is as sharp as ever have to endure a failing body. I asked him once if he thought it was a blessing to have his mind, even though his body was failing. He wasn't so sure. I know we're all very thankful to have him with us. Alright everybody, that pretty much concludes this video. Thanks for watching. We had a great time down here, spent some time with the family. Spending time with Dad and Larry and Rocky and my brother Kerry, who we're going to meet here in a second, was pretty awesome. I just wanted to show you one last thing before we sign off. And this is a boat. This is the Devon and Desiree. This is one of the boats that my dad actually built. It's a miniature of like a longliner. And Dad did, I don't know how many did he do like that?
12.
He did a bunch of those, and he named a lot of them after the grandkids. So my son Jacob, his boat is out at our cottage. Anyway, long story short, it was a great weekend. I had a great ride out here, and I had a great time spending with family. And yeah, so this is my brother Kerry.
How you doing, Rusty Nuts?
Kerry. Oh, he even gave a Rusty Nuts shout out.
How you doing, Rusty Nuts?
Larry's a drinker, but that's fine.
I'm a drinker. I'm okay with it though.
Yeah, that's fine. And so yeah, so we had a great time. Remember, it's always better on 2 wheels. Take care.